Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some Savi's Workshop lightsaber scrap metal pieces that I bought on eBay. So these are a set of the elemental nature scrap metal pieces. They fit on the lightsaber hilts that you can build from Savi's Workshop at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Wow, these are really well packaged. Plenty of shrink wrap. Here's the emitter. Looks good. Here's the first sleeve. Looks good. The faux Brylark bark looks really good. There's the switches. This is going to be the pommel. I bought all these separately from the same seller, but she didn't have the second sleeve that I wanted. Wow, that looks cool. Oh, that's clever. So this is a rancor tooth. The pommel's supposed to be a rancor tooth, and the Galaxy's Edge hilts are sound sabers, although they're not all that loud. And look how clever this is. The grooves in the teeth are actually the vent for the sound. That's actually clever. Cover tape wheel. Plastic on this one too. That's unfortunate. Alright. Well, pretty well wrapped. Double bubble wrap. Got this faux leather wrap piece and kind of a copper coloring. Of course, these are all made of metal, but this actually has got a rubberized grip to it where the leather is supposed to be. Alright, so here's all the pieces that I have for the elemental nature. I've got Savi's Workshop power and control that I purchased secondhand during the quarantine. And so let's take this apart. Let's see how this elemental nature set looks. Got a red crystal in there now, which came with my Elemental Nature set. Alright, back with a green crystal. This is a Qui-Gon crystal that I made. Let's take a look. So there's markings right here. There's blue here and red there. And you can use that to figure out which side of the switch goes where. It slides in there. You can see the red here and here. Oh, that looks good so far. Almost like I need some timing shims. No. Yeah, I wish it lined up a little better. Other than that, I like it a lot. So, stating the obvious, this is a big hilt. It's alright, at its widest point, this is just a smidge under 2 inches. Maybe 1 7/8. So it's a big hilt, very wide. Much more comfortable here in the switch area. But I do like that Rancor tooth. I know that everybody, it's very popular because of the Rancor tooth. But I like it. I like these natural looking speaker vents that they put in there. So I first bought this power control, turned it on, the blade was very dim, so I changed the batteries. Still could be brighter, but it's brighter than it was. Every time you sling it around, better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, smash that subscription button. And thanks for watching.